This is worse than we thought. The thermal imagery confirms deep penetration.
How far does it extend into the structure?
We're still acquiring data on the lower array.
Here we see the specialized foam application process, designed to remove contaminants without abrasion.
Master avionics engaged.
Confirming boot sequence nominal. We have power stabilization on channel 3.
Running diagnostics on IMU, all parameters green.
Okay, the J4 connector routes through Bay 3, confirmed on the schematic.
Are you ready?
The thermal sensor leads are secure and torqued.
R-value stabilization at 0.4.
Acknowledged. Beginning sweep sequence.
Check the sensor pack coupling right there.
Looks secure. We are green for closeout.
Cryo valves are opening on schedule. We have stable pressure in the transfer lines. Over.
Stabilization sequence complete. The electrical grid is operating at peak, ready for full power distribution.
Warning. Bay door seal integrity check initiated. All personnel confirm clearance status.
Hydraulic pressure steady at 2,500 psi.
Confirming full extension on the primary strut.
Lock indicators are green.
Initiating pitch and yaw sequence.
Data confirms centralized response.
Acknowledged. Test complete.
The integration check is complete. All major systems are verified and working in perfect harmony.
T-minus 60 seconds and counting.
We are
Go for internal power.
all stations. Flight. We are go for launch.
And mission control confirmed.
Here we see the final layer of the iconic white thermal coating being applied to the satellite module.
Ensure the alignment is perfect on the heat shield markings.
Thermal seal looks good. We are clear for final inspection.
Torque on bolt 7 is good.
Confirmed. Checking telemetry now. All systems nominal.
Propulsion systems confirmed.
Guidance is green.
We are fully configured for launch procedures. Flight.
All diagnostics complete. Capsule integrity confirmed.
Roger. Final readiness check is complete.
Ground launch sequencer reports all systems go. Launch readiness confirmed.
Staging confirmed.
And we are rolling, Houston. The view is spectacular.
Houston, the orbiter is stable.
Roger that, Columbia. Proceed.
And,